The fixed blade. Oh my God. Oh man. Good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Here's a package all the way from Gaithersburg, Maryland. We're fixing to open it up and see what's inside. Dear Kevin, here's a couple of deer antlers I found on my farm. Hope you can use for knife repairs. Happy New Year. Thank you for serving. I have one young Marine friend serving in Japan. Well, I appreciate that, ma'am, and I appreciate his service too. Hoorah and Semper Fi. I want to see all of your knives in YouTube. Take care, Mrs. Frances Becker. Well, thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Frances. I appreciate this so much. I really do. Wow. That is beautiful right there. I love that. That is so nice of you, Miss Frances. I appreciate this so much. Wow. So cool. I'll definitely put this in my pile. I sure will. Thank you so much, Miss Frances. Miss Frances, thank you so much for this. This is beautiful right here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can always use antler for my knife repairs. That's pretty right there. I love that. Ain't that beautiful right there? Man, I love that. Francis sent those antlers all the way from Gaithersburg, Maryland, right above Rockville. 766 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Thank you, Miss Francis. Appreciate it so much for the antlers. I have another package from Dearborn, Michigan, from Jeff. Thank you so much, Jeff. Let's open it up and see what is inside. Oh my God. I already saw something in there. Hello, Kevin. I hope this finds you well. This thing belonged to my father-in-law. He was a Marine. He passed away a few years ago, and nobody is left in the family. Oh, man. Thank you so much, dude. This is so thoughtful. Thought you'd appreciate the items. Really like your channel. And look forward to more. Thank you for your service, Jeff. Dearborn Heights, Michigan. Dude, I certainly appreciate your father-in-law's service. I really do, man. This means a lot to me because I've already seen something in there that is amazing. Oh my God, dude. Let me get all this stuff out, y'all. Jeff, I don't know what to say, man. This is amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. I haven't opened the boxes yet. I don't know what's inside. Oh, wow. Jeff, this is so cool, buddy. So cool. I have to get with the... I have to look up that year. But you see the slash on that left side and the slash on that right side, both leaning to the right. I have to, that's a certain year. I have to look it up real quick. That right there is a 1980. It needs a flint. So cool, man. That is awesome, buddy. It don't even look like it's hardly been used at all. Wow. So here's another Zippo from Detroit. Look at a TV station. Now this one's got some age to it now. That logo right there was used from 1955 to 1979. 3 slashes on the left, 3 slashes on the right. I mean, this lighter was made in 1976. That is so cool, man. That's so awesome, man. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. I like that too. I'm gonna hang that on my Christmas tree for next year. That's so cool, buddy. Thank you for this. I love that. Hoorah. Got some stickers. This is so cool. I like that too. Simplify. What's in here now? Oh my God. Wow. These are to hold your tie in your tie clasp. I have some of those, but mine are gold. These are really, really old. To hold another Marine's Eagle, Globe, and Anchor that's been passed on is so awesome. Tell you what, guys, other Marines will agree with me. Other Marines will know what I'm talking about, even the other people from the services. But when you get out of Marine Corps boot camp, the worst 13 weeks of my life that I don't regret doing. That's the thing about it. It was 13 weeks of hell. And when you're able to pin this on your uniform for the first time and claim the title of United States Marine, it is just one of the greatest accomplishments that I've ever done. And then serve my country. Jeff, this is so freaking awesome, man. I don't know what else to say, dude. Several Eagle, Globe, and Anchors. That one right there is an old one right there now. And this right here, guys. This is what it's all about too. No matter what a Marine's job is, he's a rifleman first. That's one thing you know how to do. When you're in the Marine Corps, you know how to shoot. You know how to take apart and put together the M16 blindfolded. You do it so many times. You shoot so many times. You learn the rifle, and you really do. I'll never forget how to shoot. Never, never, never. And he was a rifle expert. Hoorah. Jeff, man, I don't know what to say, dude. This has got me tore up, dude. Wow. A collection of Eagle, Globe, and Anchors from another Marine. Wow. Okay, this is... It's like an old hammer brand. That's be a nice knife to redo. That's an old one right there now. Old one. Wow. Looks like he went to Japan. Check that out, guys. It's a switchblade. I'll have to clean this one up. I'll definitely clean that one up and get that spring going again. All it needs is a little oil, I think. Cleaning. Wow. USA. Check that out. Johnson, USA. Ain't that cool? Thank you so much, man. Another little knife. Two of them. Check that out. That's a little bitty knife. Awesome, buddy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 2 more knives in here. Check that out. I can't make that out. That's awesome, buddy. Thank you. I think that's a hammer brand. Shoot, this one. It's a fixed blade. Oh my God. Oh man. Whoo boy. It's a freaking case, y'all. My God. Guys, I've got to clean this one up. I got to clean it up right now. Oh my God, man. That is so beautiful. Now, I'm talking to J.O. Ventures right now of making me a sheath on this knife here. Well, he's got another sheath to make. Oh my God. Dude. A case. An old case. Look at that. And the blade's in perfect condition. It just needs to be cleaned up, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. J.O. Ventures, I hope you're watching, buddy. Because you got another sheath to make. If y'all don't know who J.O. Ventures is, he's a great guy. Good channel. Y'all check him out. But y'all remember this knife I just redid? We're doing a sticker swap, and he's going to be making me a sheath for this one. I haven't sent him the email yet. Haven't had time. But I'm also going to get him to make me a sheath for this one. I'm sending it to him. I think he's in Indiana. But he makes great leather sheaths for knives. Y'all check him out. J.O. Ventures. And then the mug. Wow. This is an authentic Anheuser-Busch Marine Corps mug. This is so awesome, man. 95. Jeff, thank you so much, man, from the bottom of my heart. I will always cherish this stuff, from the knives to the Zippo lighters, the Anheuser-Busch mug. But that right there says it all. That right there says it all. When I made a decision to join the Marine Corps back in 1988, I did not know that one decision would affect the rest of my life. But it did. Semper Fidelis, Semper Fi, till I die. Always faithful. Right here. Thank you again, Jeff, so much, buddy. I'm going to be cleaning this case knife up here probably right after the video, and that video will be out tomorrow. So, well, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You never know what you're going to get when you open these boxes up, and I just want to thank everybody that sent me stuff. I just want to thank Jeff again. I just want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank y'all for all the views. Thank y'all so much. I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.